How to install and use Malwarebytes on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. First, you'll need to open up your browser and search for Malwarebytes, and then click on the first link. And from here, you want to click on Download Now, which is a free download. Once the download is complete, you'll need to run the installer or setup, and then hit the install button, and then select personal if you're using this for personal use or household. Click on next, and then skip this, otherwise click on secure my browser if you want to do that. I'm gonna just skip this part, and now it will start installing the software. Now once the installation is complete, you want to open up the Malwarebytes software, and then you can click on get started, and then skip this part. Now to use this is pretty easy. You want to go to the home tab, and if you want to perform a full scan for your PC, if you're suspecting that you have a virus or something, you can hit the run full scan button right here and wait for it to check everything for you. It does also offer other features such as identity protection, which when you provide an email address of yours, it will scan your email and see if there's anything related to your email has been exposed online recently. It does also offer privacy controls for browsing, such as disable all privacy impacting features, and you can also disable advertised tracking and Windows diagnostic data and all of that stuff. And from the tools window, you can also control Windows firewall and startup applications. And it also offers system tweaks, but I think it's only available for Windows 10. For Windows 11. Now, the scan should take a while to basically scan your entire device. And then it will basically display what it found, if there is any viruses or malicious stuff installed in your system, and basically let you know about it and suggest you to how to deal with it, basically remove it or uninstalling specific applications. And as you can see right here under detections, it currently detected 5. The number keeps increasing malicious stuff in my system, and once the scan ends, I should be able to get rid of these malicious things. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.